Do you know why you're laughing so much? It's because of a gas, nitrous oxide. It is also called laughing gas. This is what made you laugh. Let me tell you, laughing gas is made of nitrogen and oxygen. Do you know that most of the air you breathe is nitrogen? Oh, you can breathe this nitrogen. It is not laughing gas. In fact, although the air around us is full of nitrogen, we can't use it directly. To get it into our bodies, nitrogen has to go through a nitrogen cycle. Understand? Okay, I'll tell you more about nitrogen. But let's go to the kitchen. I'm baking a cake there. The cake isn't ready yet. We have to bake it first so that we can eat it. Nitrogen is just like this cake. Before we can use it, it needs to turn into other compounds. Did you know all living things need nitrogen to live? All of us, plants, animals, and humans, need nitrogen to make the proteins in our body. Plants also need it to make chlorophyll, the stuff that makes them green and helps them make food from sunlight. You really are hungry. But you gotta wait for the cake to bake. Just like nitrogen, which must be fixed for the plants to use. Lightning and some bacteria that live in some plants can fix the nitrogen in air for us to use. This is called nitrogen fixation. Not this plant. Special plants, called legume plants, have this bacteria in their roots. For example, soybean plants help fix the nitrogen. The bacteria in soil turns nitrogen into ammonia and nitrates, which plants can then use to grow. Now you know how plants get their nitrogen. Can you guess how animals get their nitrogen? Yes, by eating plants. Animals get their nitrogen from the plants. Are you wondering about the nitrogen going inside your body? It comes back to the soil through the waste animals produce. Yes, like this waste, animals also make waste. All that goes back to soil. When they die and their bodies decompose, the nitrogen again goes back to the soil for the plants to use. So tell me, what is nitrogen? Great. Do we need nitrogen? Superb! And how do we get that nitrogen? Wonderful. You have understood how we take in the atmospheric nitrogen. You now know how nitrogen in air is fixed so that all living things can use it. Do you want to know how this nitrogen goes back to the air? Some other bacteria do this work. They change ammonia and nitrate back to nitrogen, so the nitrogen cycle can be completed. This is just like the nitrogen cycle. Round and round and round, in the air, in the soil, in the plants, in the animals, in the soils, and back to the air.
So you're going to www.makemegenius.com for science videos. It also has lots of interesting facts and PowerPoint presentations for children.